Hey, what's up, everybody? We are in my garage gym, the dungeon, doing work as usual. I got the actual power rack behind me, but today we'll be over here on the workbench. As you can see, I already got a lower that I'm working on at the moment, but the focus of today is going to be on the rifle that I'm taking to competition. Brown Eye, named her a while back. I got the Mantix system in there. I got to pull out, but we're going to be upgrading to a Geiselle SSA-E trigger. So right now, the current setup in there is the ALG ACT trigger. It's a great trigger. It's a phenomenal trigger. Don't get it twisted. But I had a buddy that I served with. Shout out to Brock. I appreciate you. Send me this trigger out for the competition. So I can't wait to get it installed and see what it feels like and then go shoot with it later this week. So let's not delay anymore. Let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open, see what they got inside for us. All right. Boom. Something just went flying. We got some ALG Go Juice, which I'm assuming is just lube. Installation pins. And that trigger itself. So this trigger comes with its own proprietary trigger pins. And then if I'm not mistaken, you just use this one to hold the hammer release in place while you're installing it. And that's about it. Dope. Lubrication points. The warning. Installation. All right, cool. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and knock out. We're gonna get this upper removed. So I'll be right back. So now that we just got the lower, I'm gonna be knocking out these two pins right here in order to put these, remove the old stuff and then put these in. And then like I said, this little pin is just to hold the hammer together. So we're gonna install that real quick. Boom. So the original pin falls out, and now that's holding it together so it can be dropped in. Now I know it's going to be a little bit dark, but this is under spring tension, so I have to do it with two hands. But you're going to knock out that top pin. There's your hammer and pin. You're going to knock out that bottom one. Lost that one. Boom. So here is your ALG ACT trigger finally removed. All right, so I brought you guys over into the light. I wanted to show you guys inside of the lower with no trigger installed. Now let's get that badass Geiselle in there. All right. Let me see if I can do this. Try to get some better lighting in here. So there's that one. Just need to get the hole lined up. Of course. I don't think these pins like the Cerakote. There it goes. So they don't like the Cerakote, but they'll tolerate it. So I'm just going to give them a good whack. Take out my rubber part. Jesus. And then that original pin that was holding it all together came out. And you take your hammer pin, rest it against the hammer. Or your hammer and hammer spring. It's going to be the same thing. And this is really hard to do because I'm standing so far away from it. There it goes. And it's in. Dope. So trigger is installed. Oh, wow. Yeah. So let's go ahead and put the gun back together. So buttstock back on. Just lost that. Put our Mantix strainer back in there. And then she is ready to rock. Let's get the sling back installed over here. Boom. Wow. That is night and day, dude. That is crazy, the difference between that ALG ACT and this Geiselle. Let me get it off the bench and do some dry fire drills with it and really check it out. Okay. I got the Mantix trainer back in it. So this will auto reset the trigger. Just, I mean, look at this. Look at this. We got a nice 2-stage trigger. Look at that play right to the wall. Oh my God. Like, whew. And it's the clean, it takes minimal effort and it's super clean and crisp on that brake. Let's look at the downrange feedback. Oh, that's crazy. It's not highly recommended. 10 out of 10. Can't wait to shoot it this week. Thanks for watching.